How to make picture WhatsApp sticker without white border. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a picture WhatsApp sticker without white border on WhatsApp. So let's get started. So you can either open WhatsApp web application or the WhatsApp application that you have installed on your PC. So once you have opened that, you're going to click on this plus icon right next to the chat. And here you'll be able to see the option of new sticker. Click on that. And then you got to select the image from your computer. So I'm going to go to downloads and I'm going to select this picture. So once you do select that, you'll be able to see it has been converted into sticker. You can just customize it. You can cut it out. You can add any text you want to do so. You can also paint on it. And then press send. And now you can see that the image has been sent on WhatsApp without the white border. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.